Doing well. Today I am here with the new video how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python. It's very simple, it's very interesting. I hope by the end of this video you will be able to learn how to write a good code in Visual Studio and how to open a terminal. It's very easy, it's very simple. In my last videos, I show you how to run Python commands in command prompt and how you know about either Python is installed on your system or not. And also I showed you that how to run a Python program if you make something in Notepad or something like that. So it was also there. So let's have a look for to the table of contents. Okay, it's there are three steps, three easy steps. If you follow these three steps, you will be able to install or set up Visual Studio Code for Python. Let's have a look to the table of contents. A quick introduction to the Visual Studio Code. Number one, it's very quick introduction. I will give you small introduction about the Visual Studio Code so you will be able to know why we use Visual Studio Code for Python or any language like C, Java or any other language. So it's very simple, it's very easy. Next is setting up Studio Code. I will share the link in the description. You will click on this and you will be able to download Visual Studio Code, and after that you will setting up Visual Studio Code on your system if you have Windows, Mac or Linux or any other. And the last is install Python extension, because currently we are talking about Python. So our main target, our main focus is about Python. So I will let you know how to install Python in Visual Studio Code. You can install any language in this Visual Studio Code. It's very simple, it's very friendly. So let's go to the next slide. This is here I mentioned the logo of Visual Studio Code. Even I will show you in my practically what is the interface of Visual Studio Code and how to install all these languages in Visual Studio Code. A quick introduction to the Visual Studio Code. It's very simple. It's like 5 steps. Okay. First of all, Visual Studio Code is a lightweight source code editor. You must know about this because introduction is very important for anything, for any kind of information. Before you start, you must know about what is Python, how to learn Python, how to write programs. These are the different things. If you don't have interface, if you don't have anything environment, so how you will write a good code? So it's very important. You must know about the environment in order to write something. Second is the Visual Code Studio is often called VS Code. Okay, VS Code. If if I ask you about, please open VS Code, so you must know that I am talking about Visual Studio Code. It's like it will be like this. I will show you the environment as well. The VS Code runs on your desktop. It's available for Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux. It's clear. VS Code comes with many features such as IntelliSense, code editing, and extensions that allow you to edit Python source code effectively. I will show you each and everything, every step in my next slides, in my next video, and I will show you this in practically. So hope you will learn, you will be able to see what inside the Visual Studio Code. The best part is that the VS Code is open source and free. It's free, you can easily use, you can use anywhere, any environment. It's not like the other softwares that you will purchase, you will buy, and after that you will be able to use or you will pay the money for the years or for the months. So nothing like that. Beside the besides the desktop version, it's also very important. Besides the desktop version, okay, you can also click on this link. I will mention this in description. You will click on this and you will be able to use in a web browser as well. If someone don't want to install Visual Studio Code on your system, so you can click on this link and you will get to the new web browser and you will see how it will be installed. So it will be also very important. Okay, this tutorial, at the end of this presentation, I am sure that how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python environment, so that you can edit, run and debug Python code. By the end of this presentation, you will be able to edit, run and debug Python code. So let's go ahead. Set up Visual Studio Code. First, navigate to the VS Code official website. I will mention this link in my description box. So just click on this and download it on your Windows, on your Mac or operating system or Linux. It's very easy. It's very simple. It's just simple step. Just go there, download. Once download, exe file will be there. You will be click on exe file, and after that, you will just click next, and it will be installed on your system. Second, launch the setup wizard and follow the steps. Oh, once the installation completes, you can launch the VS Code application. Once this installation is complete, so you can launch the VS Code application as well. So it's very interesting. It's very simple. I am pretty sure, I am 100% sure by the end of this video, you will be able to run Python code, your first Python program in your Visual Studio Code. So let's have a look to the interface. This is the interface. This is a small interface. I just mentioned if you just for a reference, so you will be able to know what kind of interface is. These are having 4 or 5 buttons, so we will see in the next video, and I will show you practically as well. So install Python extension, how it will be installed on the Python extension as well. These are the 4 steps. How to install Python extension in Visual Studio Code. What are the 4 steps? First, click on this extension button. Here you will write Python. In the third step, if Python is not installed on your system, so just you will click on the install and you will see that extension path is there. Okay, then you will be here, you click on install, so Python will be installed on your system. Okay, here you are seeing that different kind of options are available, drag menu are available, so I will show you in the next slide. In the next slide, I will show you the 4 steps. What are the 4 steps? These are the 4 steps which I mentioned. So I will explain you more about this. First, click on the extension tab as I mentioned. Second, type the Python keyword on the search input. Third, click the Python extension. It will show detailed information on the right pane. Finally, click the install button to install the Python extension. So once Python is successfully installed on the system, so we will be able to write up our first code. Inshallah, in the next video, I will show you how to write a good code. In my last video, I had already shown you that how to write a program in command prompt by using py like in Python install or Python, and you will be able to write. So now you are ready to develop. Okay, so let me show you something. This is the interface. Sorry. Okay, this is the Visual Studio Code. This is the information because it was already open for with me on my system. So what you do, as I already show you, the logo is the same logo. Okay, we are having different kind of options, like we are having Explorer, search, source control, also run and debug. It's very easy, and also extensions. Okay, in the extension, what you will write here Python. Okay, if it is not installed on your system, so you will be see that either it's installed or not installed. Because it's already installed on my system, so I will just click here. Okay, See, is already disable or uninstall. Okay, this is the interface. This is okay. So this is the small terminal options. Okay, extension Python Visual Studio Code. This is the Visual Studio Code. Okay, here you will be write your problems, output, debug console, terminal, Jupyter. Okay, these are the things. Okay, as in my command prompt, if we go to the command prompt again, and I will show you, as I already show you, what I mentioned, py. Okay, here it is a command prompt, but here it's a friendly environment. Okay, it's a friendly environment. Visual Studio Code is a friendly environment. You can type any kind of code, because in my last program I already show you that how I save Python file, and after that it redirect to this path, and after that the result was showing. As I show you some program over there, I will show you same here. Okay, so it will be hello world, like, sorry, I think I, okay, maybe I mentioned something wrong. No problem. Just I will show you in the next videos. Inshallah, I will show you how to write the programs. Okay. So this is the terminal, each and everything. Hope you understand this each and everything. If you have any kind of question or anything, you can ask me in the comment box. I will help you how to run. Okay, this was all about from my side, and I am sure, I am 100% sure that you will be able to see how the things work, and I will show you how to write a program. It's very easy. This is the friendly environment for us. Once environment is ready, so we will be able to write a program. Okay, if you have any questions related to this, you can ask me. You can like, comments, so it will be helpful for me. So I will see that I will it will be helpful for me. How it will be helpful for me, because at the end of this, how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python, how it will be helpful for me, because I will make new videos for you. If anything is missing, if you did not understand anything in my last video, so I will request you, please mention in your comments. Okay, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comments, and turn on bell notification, because my motive is my motive, the main aim is that everyone learn Python from my channel or from any channel, and in an easy way and in an attractive way. Once again, thank you so much for your attention. Please don't forget, like, subscribe, comments. This is my channel name. My channel name is Farhad Lead Collection. Here is a screenshot of my channel. Here we have Microsoft Power BI and Interest. Thank you so much, guys, for your time, for your attention.